Right now, 77% of people experience physical symptoms caused by stress, headaches, chest tightness, the whole catastrophe. And the wild part, most of the things people do to relax are actually making it worse. What you're about to learn is going to completely change how you deal with stress starting today. Welcome, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Honestly, your nervous system is already thanking you just for clicking. Today, we're diving into mental health and stress management, and I promise it won't feel like a therapy session you didn't ask for. So first, what actually is stress? Your brain spots a threat, real or imagined, and fires off a full-on alarm system. Cortisol floods your body, your heart rate spikes, and suddenly you're ready to fight a bear, even if the bear is just an email from your boss. The problem isn't stress itself. A little stress actually sharpens your focus and gets you moving. The problem is chronic stress, when that alarm never turns off and your body just stays on fire. Chronic stress has been linked to heart disease, weakened immunity, sleep disorders, and even memory problems. So yeah, ignoring your stress isn't brave, it's just really expensive for your future self. Now let's talk about the stuff people do that doesn't work and why. Scrolling social media to unwind. Your brain is still processing information at full speed. That is not rest. Venting to friends nonstop. It feels good, but research shows it can actually amplify stress if you do it too much. And binge-watching TV until 2 a.m.? You're not recovering, you're just delaying the stress with a side of sleep deprivation. Okay, so what actually works? Let's get into the good stuff. Number 1, box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. This literally activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's built-in chill mode. Navy SEALs use it, just saying. Number 2, move your body. Even a 10-minute walk, that's about 1 kilometer or half a mile, drops cortisol levels measurably. You don't need a gym, you don't need gear, you just need to get up and move right now if possible. Number 3, the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. Name 5 things you see, 4 you can touch, 3 you hear, 2 you smell, 1 you taste. This yanks your brain out of panic mode and drops it right back into the present moment. It works embarrassingly fast. Number 4, sleep. I know, revolutionary concept. But 7 to 9 hours of sleep reduces stress hormones by up to 37%. Your brain literally cleans itself while you sleep, flushing out toxins. Skipping sleep is like never emptying the trash. Number 5, journaling. Not because it's trendy, but because getting thoughts out of your head and onto paper reduces mental load instantly. Think of it as defragging your brain. You wouldn't run a computer with 10,000 open tabs forever, would you? And the big one, number 6, connection. Talking to someone you trust, even for 15 minutes, lowers cortisol and boosts oxytocin. You are not meant to carry everything alone. Asking for help isn't weakness, it's literally the smartest stress hack there is. All right, let's bring it home. Stress is real, chronic stress is dangerous, but you are not powerless. You have tools now, use them. If this helped you even a little, smash that like button and most importantly, drop a comment below telling me what you want to see next. I read every single one. Now go take a breath. You've got this.